tonight's event if wala po tayong board of judges. So to introduce, for our first judge, he is a powerhouse in the world of Philippine dance and physical education. A proud Universidad de Manila alumnus and a former member of Sinaglahi Dance Group, he holds a degree in secondary education, major in physical education. As a celebrated coach for Pasay City North High School, he led his team to a first place finish at the Division Festival of Talent and secured back-to-back championships at the Cabaca Field demonstration for Villamor High School. A dedicated member of Physical Educators Association of the Philippines, please all welcome our first judge, Mr. Jomari Lansang. Please give him a round of applause. For our next judge, he is a trailblazer in the P-pop scene and a true multi-facet artist, representing ABS-CBN, Star Music, and Artist Circle. He first captured our hearts as a Dreammaker finalist. Since then, his rise has been unstoppable. Named the Philippine Pop Rock Artist of the Year in 2023 and recognized as the fast-rising solo P-pop star of 2024. With deep roots in the dance community as former member of FDS Hooper and SKM Unite, he knows exactly what it takes to command the stage. He's the voice behind the hit debut Intact and his latest twin singles Hatid Sundo and Classroom. Let's hear it from the one and only Mr. Prince Kino. And last but not the least, our final judge is a dynamic leader who balances community service with an incredible legacy in the arts. Serving her community as an SK Kagawad of Barangay 788, Zone 85, she is also a proud alumna of National Teachers College. Her journey in dance began as a member of Sanglahi Dance Group at Villamor High School, where she contributed to their back-to-back championships at the Cabaca Field demonstration. On the national stage, she earned the 5th prize at the 2019 NCCA Sayaw Pinoy National Dance Competition. Her talent has also reached international shores, securing first place at the University Malaysia Sabah International Dance and Music Festival in 2016, and representing her heritage at the 11th ASEAN Art and Culture Exposition in 2022. A seasoned performer from the La Fiesta Buffet stages, please welcome the one and only Miss Magdalene P. Dacoito. Please give her a round. So, since ngayon, we all know our board of judges. So, paano nga ba gagradean? Paano nga ba i-judge ng ating mga judges ang ating set of performers for tonight's dance contest? So, to read our criteria for judging, so before we witness the incredible talent waiting backstage, or sa gilid ng stage, let's go over how our panel of experts will be evaluating today's performances. To ensure a fair and competitive atmosphere, our contestants will be judged based on a total of 100 points broken down into the following criteria: choreography 50%, execution 30%, costume 10%, audience impact 10%, and a total of 100%. And additionally, since there has been a communication and communication with the performers who arrive before 6 p.m., they will be receiving an additional 3 points for their performance. So with this, hindi ko na po papatagalan kasi alam kong mas excited kayo na mapanood na sila. So yun po, sana po mag-enjoy po kang lahat and have a great night.
Okay, thank you very much, SK Churman, Alitea Erica Vargas. Okay, asan yung post ko? Asan yung mabasahin natin? Okay, at dahil dyan,